Do you know how many hours you actually spend on your phone every day? In this video, I'll show you how to check your screen time using Digital Wellbeing and see exactly where your time goes. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and look for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap on it to open the dashboard. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Digital Wellbeing. Once you're inside, you'll see a screen time overview. This usually shows how many hours you've used your phone today. Also, you'll see a breakdown of the apps you've used and how much time you spent on each one. Tap on the screen time graph to see more detailed statistics. You can view daily usage, weekly averages, and compare how your usage changes over time. This helps you understand which apps consume most of your attention. You can also check how many times you unlocked your phone and how many notifications you received. This gives you a clearer picture of your digital habits. If you want to manage your time better, you can set app timers directly from this screen. When the timer runs out, the app will pause for the rest of the day, helping you reduce unnecessary usage. I'll also show you how this looks on a Samsung phone. On Samsung devices, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Inside, you'll see a very similar dashboard with your daily screen time, app usage breakdown, unlock count, and notification statistics, just like in the previous example. Checking your screen time with Digital Wellbeing is simple and can help you build healthier phone habits. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe for more practical digital tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.